Hey guys, Steve here. Today I want to get on and show you I got my postcards in the mail today. Check it out. It's to advertise Textbot AI, but actually it's promoting all my opportunities, and I want to show you how. Okay. As you can see, my Textbot number on there. This is really slick. And I just wanted to show you. See my number? 602-233-1171. Give it a call. Or even, let me zoom in a little closer. You see my website name on there, www.dailytextbotcash.com. And on the back, you'll see it says, learn how to get paid $100 over and over again. And I got these real, they're not flimsy either. They're pretty good. I got these, and then I also got these drop cards here with the Textbot. I had these for a while. I've been using these, just dropping around, but it has my number and the same website on there. I advise you get a website, get a domain name. You know, you can do a lot with it, and really, it's your business. You know, but anyway, and then some stamps. You know, some postcard stamps. Because I plan on taking my business, not only promoting it online, but also promoting all offline. And you can do this with any business, especially when you have Textbot AI or this resource right here. And I'll show you more about that. Let me show you. I want to show you the way that you can utilize these cards to do a little bit of this, what you see in the background right here, right? You have your paid traffic source, which are your solo ads. You have Udemy, Traffic Authority, MLM leads, right? And there's some other resources there. You have your organic traffic, which is like your social media, your blogs, your YouTubes, forums, or whatever, like online, Instagrams, anything like that, right? But what these cards allow you to do is they give you access to your offline market by using the phone number and the website address. It brings those leads from direct mail online, so you can capture their email address, add them to your capture page, right? Add them to your autoresponder and follow up with them, all because of direct mail, right? It's just another way for you to market your business offline. And, you know, we're all in business, right? We're all trying to run our businesses, but why just keep it online? We could take it offline and have just the same amount of success as we are online. And it's as easy as getting some cards, popping the label, and popping it in the mail, right? So anyway, you know the flow. This is the standard online business flow where you have your leads coming in to your capture page. You squeeze the email out of them, and they get put on your autoresponder. They also go to the thank you page. And in between here, you can have a bridge page, introductory page to introduce yourself, whatever, brand yourself, right? And they all come to the thank you page or to the sales page, right? And also, what I do is I add in some of my emails, I have like bonuses and incentives just to get them to sign. Like I have a program that I can give away vacations, discounts, electronics or whatever. I offer that in there randomly, right? Or with email broadcasts or whatever. And then it always takes them back to here, because there's always a link to go back to the offer, right? And then from the offer, if they choose to buy, they come into your back office and they sign up for streams 2 through 6, right? Of the multiple income funnel, because that is the primary business. Now, what I want to show you how is this one card right here, putting it in the mail can advertise all of these income streams. And I want to show you real quick. So anyway, part of this funnel is my web domain, right? So if I go to let's see here. Let's go to a blank page. And like I said, www.daily. Now I don't know how to spell it. Daily text. I'm looking at different screens. Textbotcash.com, right? And boom. So when they get this card, they get, yeah. Okay, let's try that again. www. Do I have it saved here? DAILYTEXTB tcash.com. Let's see. Yeah, so then it goes there, and this is my capture page. And by the way, this is created in the Power Lead system. This is my capture page. It gets their email address and puts them onto my autoresponder. And then after this page, of course, they go to see the offer, right? But that is on this card. Also, you can call the number, and I want to show you how I promote that, right? So after you get through this page, you'll go to the standard Textbot page, or to to a Power Lead funnel. But what I want to show you really is how I use this card to promote everything. So if you log into your Textbot, and this is what I highly recommend you do, you go to, let's see here, let's go back to the dash real quick so I can show you how to get to where I'm talking about, right? So when you log into your Textbot back office, you go up here and you go to my profile, right? And what you do is you come to your primary business, and this is where you put your multiple income funnel link or any other primary business you might have. Now remember, when I mail this card out, they're going to get this card with the number that they can text, and then Ava will what? She will promote herself so she can make you $100. But also, I think 24 hours later, you will get a follow-up email with my multiple income funnel link in there, right? As my primary business, right? So that's what's so awesome about this, is that this one card will promote my multiple income funnel, right? This drop card, guess what? Because it has the website on there too and the phone number, it will promote my multiple income funnel. So basically this duo of marketing material, drop cards and postcards, are promoting 6 income streams, right? And I want to show you those 6 income streams real quick. And let's pop over to the multiple income funnel. And as you know, this is 6 income streams. Let's take a look at my accelerator to see where we're at today's stats. I'm on number 37. This is just a contest that they have going on right now. These are some awesome prizes, right? I really suggest you jump in on this contest. It's a lot of money at stake, right? It's never too late. You should get in right now. But anyway, so this funnel has multiple income streams in there. And the first income stream is actually the funnel itself, right? The platform, the automated email follow-up, the autoresponder, the e-wallet, the resources for the back office, that training. It's all on the first funnel, right? And that's $49 a month, where you can make $20 residually off of anybody you promote this to, and if they opt in, or $200 a pop, right? So you would come to your second income stream. Now, this is where it gets funny or tricky and good, right? This one number, this one card promotes the multiple income funnel, your E1 up, right? Your Textbot AI, this does, and your traffic authority stream number 4. But wait, we're not done yet, right? You still have your bonus streams that this one card promotes, and that's your My Lead Gen Secret and your Scalability Pro, right? Which is a training platform that shows you how to scale your business up and take your online business to the next level. And it's applicable to any online opportunity, right? And it's also a high ticket commission for you, right? So that's how this promotes all of this, right? It's amazing. So real quick, I want to show you where I get my cards from, and we can go back here. So this is the cards. This. You see how traffic comes from here into the capture page. Your paid traffic comes in, your free organic traffic comes in, and now we have our offline marketing, bringing our more leads. The more leads, the better. Remember, we are in the lead collecting business, right? We get as many leads as we can to our capture page, so what we can follow up with them and keep presenting our offer, right? So it's amazing. So let me just show you real quick. There'll be a link somewhere around this video for this particular platform. It's called Matrix Pro Leads. As everything in affiliate marketing, it has a compensation plan, and actually there's a way that you can get 100 of these addresses on sticky labels, 100 of these a month, and as an affiliate, it has a very nice compensation plan that you can check out here. There'll be a link somewhere around this video. Now, where I get my cards from is from this place right here, and you can get all kinds of cards. Let's go to the postcard section. Also has an affiliate program, so you can make money off your tools. But they have cards for Best Easy Word, Passive Profits, Power of Duplication, Textbot AI, other 4x6 cards here. This is the other program, Cash, Club Cash Fund, Heal, Matrix Pro Leads, Flyers, and on and on and on. So you can get cards for anything you need, okay? And like I said, you can get your labels from this company. They send $100 a month for a very minimal fee, right? This all goes into your traffic budget to get people to your web pages. But that's all I really wanted to do. Again, I wanted to just show you my card here. It's pretty nice. And it's, like I said, it's solid here, and it has my number here, 602-233-1171. And it also has my web address at the bottom. So you give people 2 points of contact. They can either text you, call you, or whatever, or get online, direct mail marketing. And also you have your drop cards, which if I didn't show you, you can come to this website by clicking the link below or around this video and come up here, and you have other marketing material, drop cards, right? So check this out. You can get free drop cards, 100 drop cards free. And all you got to do is click the link around here, and it'll take you to this website, and you can just get 100 drop cards just like this for any business that's already in here. Just remember, you should have a website. I highly recommend to get a domain name. Okay. But anyway, that's all I really wanted to go over. And, just to let you know that you can promote your business not only online, but also offline. And with this strategy, you can really maximize the amount of leads you're driving to your capture page, the amount of leads that you're driving into your business. Just think about this. I wish I had a postcard from the mail today, but I get postcards every day in the mail. And, whether they're advertised, hold on, I'll show you. Like I get postcards like this, right? I mean, these postcards are sent out every day in the mail. Why not join part of that marketing? You know what I mean? Why not have your card being delivered and people putting it up on the refrigerator saying, hey, yeah, I'm going to get $100 a day, right? Why not? So anyway, like I said, all the links will be around this video somewhere. As always, hope you enjoyed the content. Hope you got some ideas of how you can promote any online business offline with these two resources that I have in the description box below. And that's all I got. I'm Steve, and I'm out.